You know what happens. You've been through this all too much. You are now at what, 5,004 with the last 4 cases you had with me, what, 2.5 months ago. Now you're back again 3 months ago. Good morning, sir. Oh, here.
Your Honor, the defendant's name.
Colbert, last name?
Back again, Mr. Colbert. Really?
Flirting emotion, so it was
Mr.
something
Colbert,
crazy.
stop. Don't say anything, man. Don't. You're charged with failure to identify oneself to a peace officer. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you.
Yes, Judge. Officers were dispatched to a family disturbance in Harris County, Texas. The officers had already been previously to the location about an hour prior. The complainant stated that she found out the defendant was cheating on her and asked him to leave. While officers were there, the defendant gave them a fake name until officers asked for his driver's license and discovered his legal name.
Why were they there?
They were there for a family disturbance call, and they were investigating.
Okay. Give me more.
Your Honor, let me pull up the offense report.
And why did they need to talk to him?
Your Honor, it seems that officers were sent to talk to him because the complainant or the woman who called wanted him to leave the location, and he stated to officers that he wouldn't leave.
Got it. Okay. So I'm trying to find out why they're trying to get your information. There's got to be a lawful reason here. They were trying to probably issue a trespass warning, and that's why they need your information. And so, Mr. Colbert, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. I'm ordering you now as a condition of your bond not to use any alcohol or drugs, and I'm going to randomly test you like crazy. If I find that you're using anything, you pick up a new case. You know what happens. You've been through this all too much. You are now at what, 5,004 with the last 4 cases you had with me, what, 2.5 months ago. Now you're back again 3 months ago. Things only get more difficult, Mr.
Can I
Colbert.
say something already, sir?
No, don't. You have the right to remain silent. Exercise that right. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 DAs here. Anything you say, they're going to use it against you. You need a lawyer to represent yourself. What are you doing these days?
I'm still in the process of looking for work and everything. Honestly, I don't even stay here. I was actually invited back. Like, I don't,
You know, but
I'm trying not, like, there was a flood of emotions type of thing. I wasn't told to leave.
when is the last time you've had a full-time job?
It's been so long, been so hard to find one. Actually,
When is the last time you've applied?
I applied, I literally just applied last week for UPS.
Like for one job?
No, sir. No, sir. I had the orientation and everything, but that mishap was stop me from starting my new job. That mishap, and it was literally not even what it was supposed to be.
Okay.
Yes,
This is crazy.
Guys, do you mind helping me out when you're done with this? This is Mr. Colbert here. I'd like to send Mr. Colbert. I'd like to send him for a drug test right now, please. He's in the bottom of page 5. Okay, I'm sending you now for a drug test. I want to know what, if anything, is in your system, and then you're to come right back, and then we'll talk about your lawyer situation. No more using while you're on bond. Do you understand?
Can you repeat that, sir?
No more using alcohol, illegal drugs, illegal dope, because you know what's going to happen. Don't use.
So, am I getting back on the ankle monitor?
I haven't done that yet. Last time you had 4 cases and you continued to take off and use. So there was a good reason to put you in all those monitors. I'm not doing it yet, but don't pick up another 4 cases. All I'm asking you to do is keep my county safe. That's all I'm asking you to do. This is only a failure to ID, but I don't want to use, and I want you to get a full-time job. You have to be productive where you are. You understand? All I'm asking you to do is be an upstanding citizen. That's it. I want you to get a full-time job. Understand, Mr. Cole? All right, just take a seat for me momentarily. So I'm making it the condition of his bond that he gets a full-time job. Coming up. Yeah, just THC. No more smoking weed. You will get tested 40 days from today. If you test positive for marijuana, that tells me that you've continued to smoke, and I'm going to revoke your bond. I also am making it a condition of your bond that you get a full-time job. I'm going to bring you back in 2 weeks, and I want to see what you've done to get a job. Do you understand?
Can it be a month?
No.
It's hard getting back and forth with me.
5 cases within 3 months. Time on your hands, Mr. Colbert. You need to start doing something with your life. Otherwise, you're going to be like this at 70, kicking a can down the road with nothing to do, no money to your name, nothing to your name. How old are you now?
25.
No prospects. Did you graduate from high school?
Yes, sir.
Got that going. What's going to happen in 10 years from today? Where are you going 10 years?
I take every day a day at a time.
That's not the way to go, though. You need to look to the future. Otherwise, you will have no future. None of this one day at a time crap. No. Life is a journey. So far, it has not been a good journey. You have no prospects. You have no job, no education, no money to your name. You think it's going to get easier the older you get? No. I'm now going to make sure that you become somewhat of a productive member of our society, and it starts first with a job, and that you remain clean. As long as you can do both of those things, you and I will be best friends. All I'm asking you to do is be an upstanding citizen. That's it. I'm not asking you to split the atom. We'll see you back in 2 weeks. That way.
Right this way.
We keep it working like Oouchie the boss. We tryna catch up like we hit us a fault. We gotta win, ain't taking no loss.